Hey everyone, back tuning into today's video. We're going to do the 5-day forecast today, having a detailed look at weather for the next 5 days across the British Isles. We're going to be staying quite chilly, really, over the next 5 days for the British Isles. Certainly for the time of year, of course, it's going to be okay in the sun, especially in the south. It'll feel quite warm, but temperatures, I think, overall will be coming out a bit below, really, where they should be in the middle of August, and particularly in the north, where we've got those showers coming through, maybe in longer spells of rain at times. It will feel particularly miserable up there, really quite autumnal for parts of Scotland. So quite a chilly period coming up. It's not going to be too bad down in the south, especially when we get through to the weekend. I'll have a look at all the detail in a moment. Before I get on with that, though, just say about the ads. There's video ads on my page. It's at GazWeatherViz.com. If you could hit play on video ads, you'll be helping to support GazWeatherViz.com. Thanks so much for doing that. So let's start off with the radar picture from theweatheroutlook.com. You can find the link to the Weather Outlook on my links page. We've got some showers across the country still, mainly focused actually through Northern Ireland and coming down into parts of North Wales and across Northern England. Quite heavy showers in those areas, but I think generally the showers are lighter than they have been for the last couple of days, and they're generally more scattered as well. So there will be showers around this afternoon, but more places have a greater chance of missing them and staying dry than has been the case recently. Low pressure is still in control to the east of the country, between eastern Scotland and Norway, and we bring down this north to northwesterly wind across the country. And of course it's that wind that's feeding down those showers. So I think it really is in the north and west that we have the greatest risk of showers today, but almost anywhere could get a shower. It could be heavy in places, particularly, say, through parts of Northern Ireland and across into Northern England and North Wales. But they're more scattered than they have been recently, so a lot of places will miss the showers altogether and stay dry. Fairly reasonable sunny spells. There could still be hail and thunder mixed in, though, with some of these heavier showers. Temperatures feeling quite chilly today, especially in the north, but better than recently. Temperatures have been absolutely atrocious across parts of Scotland in recent days. We will see them lifting up to around 15, 16 degrees. It's nothing to write home about, below where we should be, but it's going to feel a bit better up in the north. Down in the south, probably getting up to around 22, maybe 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. Probably around average, really, but maybe a little bit below. But it feels cool everywhere in that northwesterly wind. Overnight, we're going to find the showers dying back towards the coast. Many places are going to become dry tonight with clear spells. It's going to be quite a coolish night as well, with temperatures between around 8 and 12 degrees. It's quite pleasant for sleeping, really. Not cold, but certainly cool than the nights that we was having earlier in the summer. We've lost all that heat and humidity. As we move through to Thursday, we've got a greater chance of showers on Thursday because we bring down a bit of a shallow trough type feature. So although we'll probably start off on quite a dry and bright note, I think the clouds will very quickly bubble up through the course of Thursday morning. There'll be some big showers breaking out by Thursday afternoon. There'll be heavy showers, slow moving showers as well, because the ice bars are opening out here, so I've got light winds for Thursday, slow moving showers, giving hail, thunder, prolonged bouts of rain in some places, and there will be a risk on Thursday afternoon of localised flash flooding, so that is something to be aware of. Some of those showers will be really very heavy indeed on Thursday. Temperatures as a result will be a little bit down, actually between around, say, 15 and 20 is 68 Fahrenheit, depending on whether the showers come through. Of course, some places will miss them and stay dry and have fairly decent sunshine. If that happens, say, in the southeast, temperatures could still pop up to 21 or 22, but overall I think temperatures will be a shade down with more cloud and those showers around on Thursday. As we move through to Friday, the shower risk is more to the south, actually, with a little nose of high pressure coming in to the north. So I think Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England probably have a greater chance of staying dry on Friday. Probably the best day of the 5-day forecast period up in the north. But down in the south and the southeast, I think we'll have more showers developing through the course of the day. Some of them will again be heavy with a risk of hail, lightning and thunder. Temperatures probably somewhere between around, say, 16 and 21 being at 70 Fahrenheit. This area is low pressure around Iceland. It's going to start to move southwards as we go through into Saturday, so that's going to bring unsettled conditions back into Scotland, whereas that nose of high pressure is down into the south by Saturday. So England and Wales probably mostly dry through the course of Saturday with sunny spells, whereas Scotland, Northern Ireland, Parts of northwestern England, although starting off on a dry and fine note, will turn cloudy with showery rain starting to move in from the north. Turning quite windy as well in the north around that area of low pressure. Winds could be gusting almost up to gale force across the northern and western parts of Scotland. So obviously it's going to be turning quite cool up in the north. Temperatures are going to be below where they should be in the north, just 15-16 degrees at best. In the south, not too bad under that nose of high pressure. You're probably seeing temperatures around 22 being at 72 Fahrenheit. Let me outside we could get to 23 or 73. So a pretty reasonable day in the south on Saturday. Going through to Sunday, that low pressure is deepening around Norway, and we're starting to bring down a stronger northwesterly wind across the whole country. That's going to be bringing showery rain into Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, possibly coming into northeastern parts of England as well. There will be showers, maybe merging into longer spells of rain in northern parts of Scotland. Central southern parts of England and Wales still just about holding on to the dry and fine weather. We'll have more of a northwesterly breeze though, so it will be cooler. There'll be more cloud around generally on Sunday wherever you are, so temperatures will be a few degrees down on Sunday compared to Saturday. Even so, we may still struggle up to around 20 degrees along the south coast. That's 68 Fahrenheit, but generally I think most places by Sunday are going to see the temperatures pegged back just into the mid to upper teens, and for Scotland we're going to be struggling actually to get into a teens, just 12 or 13 degrees across central and northern parts of Scotland. Really very chilly feeling day indeed up there. Moving through to the end of the 5-day forecast period, and we find that things are spacing out in terms of the ice bar, so we're losing that wind, but we're still in a cool flow here. The low pressure is moving off towards Norway. Quite a complicated pattern that, but what we're basically looking out for beyond that is these areas of low pressure to develop down to the south and southwest. That could start to bring some heavy rain up from the Atlantic as we go through next week. But Monday is probably going to be mainly dry again in the south, whereas in the north and the east we have the greatest risk of showers. Some of them could be heavy with risk of hail and thunder. Temperatures generally still below where they should be, somewhere between around say 15 and 20. At best will be particularly chilly in the south by night, but by day in the south temperatures not too bad, but generally it's a cool period coming up throughout. These are the charts on the weather outlook, so just so that you can see the weather in your area over the next 5 days. And we've got showers around today. There's less of them than has been the case in recent days, and they're more scattered, but even so there will be some showers around. Some of them could be heavy with a risk of hail and thunder. Moving through to Thursday, the shower risk increases. There'll be lots of showers around on Thursday. Big showers, torrential rain, slow moving as well with light winds. Going to be quite an active day on Thursday. The shower risk is more for England and Wales on Friday, whereas Scotland turns drier and brighter. Temperatures will be cool throughout the country. As we move through to Saturday, things switch around. It's the north that has the risk of showery rain, whereas the south should be mainly dry. Temperatures picking up a little bit in the south as well on Saturday in that sunshine. Only up to around average, but even so, a little bit warmer down in the south. As we move through to Sunday, this is suggesting that there could be showers up in the north and some coming down the east side. I'm not sure if these showers in the south are really going to come off. I think the south will get the best of the dry and fine weather. Temperatures will take a dip as we go through to Sunday as we pull down a strong and very chilly northwesterly wind. Moving through to the end of the 5-day forecast period on Monday, the showers are still mainly in the north, the south and the north and the east. The south is mostly dry, and temperatures are still going to be below where they should be. So it's a cool period coming up. Next 5 days is going to be cool. There'll be showers around, particularly in the north, although the south will get heavy showers through the course of Thursday and Friday, but mainly dry over the weekend, with the shower risk reverting more to the north. But generally it's a cool, breezy period coming up. The best of the weather over the weekend anyway, down in the south. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.